What's going on? It's Bobby from SkyeBrowse, and we just released two really interesting tools. The first one is the line of sight tool, and I have a really interesting backstory behind this. 2 days after we released this tool, Utah Valley University, which is where Charlie Kirk was shot, they mapped out their campus with it. You can see it's just a 5-minute video that they used to report it, and here is the resulting 3D model itself. So here's the model, and they were able to use the line of sight tool to determine where the shooter was. So I'll give you a demonstration of how it works. So Charlie Kirk was right here. Here was his booth. So with the new line of sight tool, you click here, we can put down a line of sight. So in this case, we're going to put down Charlie Kirk, and we're going to toggle on who can see me. And what this does is it shows every single perspective within the 3D model itself that can see Charlie Kirk. And it also has a little height adjuster, so he's not 1 foot off the surface, he's like 6.5 feet. So you save that, and now you can see that it is off the ground, right? And if I zoom out, now you can see that everything in red is what cannot see him, and everything in green is what can see him. So in fact, it's right here. This is exactly where the sniper was laying prone when he shot Charlie Kirk. So really cool way of using this for pre-plans, very proactive tool that allows you to immediately get an overview with just a couple of clicks. So we also made this one step further with the security coverage. So once you place down a line of sight, there's also security coverage. So suppose I want to place down 5 officers, and you click on suggest security coverage, see how fast it is. It automatically places down officers within the scene. You can then place the markers and close this preview, and now all of a sudden every single area within this model is now covered with either officers, or you can place down cameras as well. You can switch it over to cameras, and it would automatically place down all that within the model itself. So that's the line of sight tool. And also one interesting thing is that with the line of sight tool, if I wanted to, say for instance, place this down right here and then just click save, this also gives you a personal line of sight. So you can also move this around. You can see what this person would be able to see, or its camera. If you're placing down security cameras or anything, would be able to see in green, and then what they can't see in red. So really nice line of sight tool. This is also the 2 LOS. So if I place down another line of sight, say number 2, now you can also see what the second person or second security camera can see in blue. And what's pretty neat about this is you can also move this around, and in the yellow, that shows the overlapping view. So both person 1 and person 2 will be able to see this together. So that's the line of sight tool in a nutshell. Another thing that we released, it's under labs, it's called a crowd counter. This is free of charge, available for everyone, whereas the line of sight tool, that's available for premium customers only. With the crowd counter, the backstory behind this is during FIFA, Lewis, my buddy Lewis from Elizabeth Police Department, asked me to create this tool, and basically New Jersey State Police was asking them to look at crowds, especially because there's a pretty big Colombian population in the area. I'll show you an example of it. You can see them all celebrating after Colombia wins a match in FIFA, right? So New Jersey State Police asked them, hey, so how many people are in the street? And I don't know, there's a lot of people. It's 1,345 people. So we built this in, it puts the purple dots on everybody's heads as well. So it gives you a pretty good estimate of crowd counts. You can upload any sort of image you'd like, and within a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, it automatically generates it. So here's just a sample stock image, and there you go, 147 people in the stock image. So that's the crowd counter tool, available free of charge under labs. So those are the 2 new updates that we just released. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.